Hey guys, I'm so excited that you're here checking out my course, and I'm really excited to be able to help you gain the skills within this exciting world of social media and hopefully help to change your life as well. My name is Maggie Stara, and when I first started working online, I actually started out as a social media manager, and I've also since learned some new skills to help me move more into digital marketing strategy roles. I've had my content published in amazing online publications such as Leadpages, Lonely Planet, GoDaddy, and Upwork, amongst others. And as a digital marketing strategist, I have worked with small to medium-sized businesses and entrepreneurs from all over the world, and I've also co-created Living to Rome, my one-stop shop for tips for business owners, freelancers, and anyone in between who wants to create a big impact online, even on a small marketing budget. Because of my ability to work online, I've been able to travel the world while working from my laptop, and it has absolutely changed my life. So now I'm on a mission to bring more freedom to the lives of others. Thousands of students from over 140 countries around the world have now been through my online courses of ages anywhere from 16 to 60. And much like this course specifically, are designed for complete beginners while still offering advanced strategies. Within this course, I will begin by helping you to get into forming productive habits, get into a success-driven mindset, and get really aligned with your overall purpose and passions, because that is what's going to take you from being good to being freaking fantastic, because you'll be over the top passionate about the work that you're doing. You will then also learn the basics of all the social media platforms and how to create beautiful graphic, video, and written content for social media. You will also get my best tips on how to create an impactful social media strategy for any business, and we will also dive into the world of Facebook advertising to help you really stand out from the competition with this amazing skill. And I've also dedicated a portion of the course to helping you build your freelance business, where you will learn how to pitch your services, how to find clients, how to set up your contracts, proposals, and invoices, and even how to build a free and easy one-page website for your social media portfolio. This section is great for both aspiring freelancers and business owners who want more advice on how to work with their outsourcing freelance teams remotely. So whether you're looking to learn social media to grow your own business, or you would like to move into working online as a social media manager, this course will teach you all of the necessary skills and tools you need to get started. And as I'm always working on new projects, make sure to follow me so you get updates when I create new content, and feel free to reach out if you'll ever have any questions that I can help you with. The skills I've learned within the world of social media and online marketing have presented me with opportunities that really exceeded my expectations, and now I want to do the same for you as well. I am going to be available to answer questions throughout the course and provide you with some additional resources as well, but now I'm just really excited for you to get started, so I'll see you on the inside.